This question belongs to data structure subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 set 1. So the question states, consider a rooted n-node binary tree. So we have a binary tree where each node have at max 2 children. Like this, we can have 1 children, 2 children or 0 children. This one has 0 children, this one has 1 children and this one has 2 children. It has total number of n nodes. Represented using pointers. So it is represented using pointers. The best upper bound of the time required to determine the number of subtrees having exactly 4 nodes is this. So it is a time complexity for finding the number of nodes having exactly number of subtrees having exactly 4 nodes. Then the value of a plus 10b is okay. So suppose there may be a case like this tree can grow something like this. Okay. So how many subtrees have 4 nodes? See, let us try to create the subtree. This is a subtree. It has 4 nodes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this subtree has 4 nodes. Yes. Is there any other subtree with 4 nodes? No. So how do we create this? And if we had something like this, then this is also a subtree with 4 nodes. So how do we do this? We can do this very easily by recursion. So we can have a function like find, which will take a pointer as input, or you can say a node as input. Now we will do recursion. We can do any traversal. So what we will do is that we will do post order traversal. We will do post order traversal as it is better for computing this problem. So first we will go to left. So we call the same function find with node dot left. So we go to its left tree and we bring a value. Let us suppose we bring a value v1. Then we go to right and we bring another value node dot right. Let us suppose it is v2. So what are those values that we are bringing? So we are bringing the number of nodes in that side. Let us suppose if we go to left, then we must bring number of nodes in left subtree. So it is bringing number of nodes. It is also bringing number of nodes. Now what we will do? We will check if v1 plus v2 plus 1 for the current node is equals to 4. Then our condition is satisfied, so we will increment our count, as we need to print all such nodes, and in the end we will print all such nodes. And if it is not true, or even if it is true, what we will do is that after this we will return total number of nodes, which is v1 plus v2 plus 1. So what we have done, we have made a column left, find out number of nodes, column right, and check if v1 plus v2 plus 1 for current node is 4. If it is 4, we increment the count and then we return the total number of nodes. And we will have some base cases like if node equals to null, return 0. So this is a base case. So this is just the post order traversal. And what is the complexity for post order traversal? It's order of n, which means this n to the power a log n base power b should be equal to n, which means a should be 1 and b should be 0. So what is the value of a plus 10b? A is 1, so we get 1 plus 10, b is 0. So value comes out to be 1. So answer to this question is 1.